Welcome back, everyone. Had some boxes from Academy come in, some Walmart purchases, and a little bit more silver come in. Make a quick video and show you what I picked up here. Got some $50 Walker halves, some 40% JFK halves, and a 5-ounce Morgan bar. That's the bullion pickups. Then got some 17 HMR at Wally World. This was on sale for, I think it was $11. Yeah, $11. So got that at Walmart. 7 boxes of that there. Also picked up at Walmart 4 more boxes of the AK-47 steel case ammunition. 3 boxes from Academy came in this week. Box number 1 is another box of Tula AK-47 ammo, $9.99. Box number 2 is 22 LR Winchester, $6.99 a box. It's about as much as I'm going to pay for 22 ammo there. And some Browning 400 round boxes of 22 LR. These were a good deal. I think these were $22 if I remember right. 22 or 23. So that's a good price on that. Box number 3. Remington 525 pack, 22 LR. So more 22 LR, more AK ammo, 17 HMR, and a little bit more silver. That's it for this week, folks. Take care. Happy stacking.